What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a 2008 Mercedes W204 C-Class using the steering wheel button method. This works on models with the small display cluster. No scanner needed. First, insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to position 1. That's the first click. Do not start the engine. Make sure the mileage screen is showing on the cluster. If not, use the arrow buttons until the odometer appears. Now press and hold the call button and the OK button at the same time. Hold them for about 5 seconds. You should see the hidden workshop menu appear on the screen. Use the arrow buttons to scroll to ASSYST PLUS. Press OK. Then select Full Service. Press OK again. Scroll to Confirm Service. Select Yes and press OK. Turn the ignition off. Start the car again and the service reminder should be gone. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more W204 tutorials.